In CPA marketing, choosing the right offers can make or break our ability to earn at least $500 in a single day. If that's your goal, pay close attention as I break down the walls and strategies to get you where you want to be. If you aren't familiar yet and are fairly new to the concept, a CPA offer in its simplest form is you working with advertisers in order to get them to do something. By someone taking an action, you get paid. These CPA offers can also take many different forms. They could be trial purchases, some form of email submit, an app installment, and more. Going back to making $500 in a single day, there are a few things you need to understand about an offer. Tip number 1, take the time to select trending offers. Picking an old offer will leave you anywhere but ahead. Take it from me, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. You want to take what's working and go with it. Making $500 a day is attainable when you see trending offers doing very well. If the market is hot, follow it. Tip number 2, select SOI, single opt-in, offer that requires little commitment or something that has little lead capture fields. Converting will be easier and faster if there's a little lead capture field. People won't take the time to commit and write a whole lot. You've got very little time and make sure it counts, so consider that. People taking surveys and giving out lots of information may not be comfortable to them. Asking them where they work or their marital status may not be something they want to go further with. Remember, sensitive questions lead to uncomfortable. Uncomfortable leads to not following through. A simple single opt-in offer asking your name, address, zip code, and email would be your best choice. Tip number 3, select an offer worth your time. Finding an offer with a good payout will be worth your time when the payout is a minimum of $5. Yes, they do exist, you just have to find them. Picture this, if you were sending 300 unique visitors to a simple trending offer with a single opt-in page, well, you get the point. Try to steer away from offers that are so little it's not worth the time or effort. Another strategy is to build your bridge page. Your bridge page is another crucial component that can help boost conversions and help you earn at least $500 each day. After all, that is still the goal. Pre-lander is another name for a bridge page. It simply refers to the standalone page that members of your target demographic who are interested in your adverts land on initially. A bridge page prevents viewers from jumping directly to the offer page, which increases their desire to take advantage of the offer. Your landing page must be optimized to take full advantage of the visitor's experience every time. So, what will you need? The title, subheadline, offer benefits, questions, and call to action button. Ask yourself, are these essential components present? If they are, great. The last strategy we'll talk about here is getting traffic. Without the right traffic, you can say goodbye to the possibility of making $500 with CPA marketing. There is free and paid traffic, but what's the difference? Results of paid traffic will cost you, but the results may be quicker. You also may be able to target your audience easier with an ad campaign. Well, who's the best? At the moment, Facebook has been dominating in the ads department. Yes, you could use YouTube, but Facebook may be easier. Well, that's it for this short video. Did you learn a little bit more that can help you toward your offers with CPA marketing? Let us know in the comments below your favorite CPA network. Check out more videos in the description box below, and as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.